Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm making the easiest dessert. It's a Heath candy bar pie, and it's just 3 ingredients. It's so simple, so easy, and so good. You may have heard of, they make the same thing with Butterfinger pie. I'm sure you could take all kinds of different candy bars. I'm going to use Heath because I have some of that, and I like Heath a lot. So the first thing you do is you take a stick of not a stick, a block of cream cheese, and you mix it well. Okay, I should have mentioned that you want your cream cheese to be room temperature. Mine was a little bit still on the cold side, and it took me a little longer to get it mixed. It mixes much easier when it's warm or room temperature. So okay, there's our cream cheese, and then the recipe calls for a 12-ounce container of Cool Whip, but I have two 8-ounce ones, so I'm going to use half of this one and then all of this one. And you can use light. I'm using light. They have all different kinds of Cool Whip now. They've got like sugar-free or light or extra creamy. I like them all, but it just happens to be light, and this is generic from Walmart. Oh, and I didn't mention, I'm using a pre-made pie crust today. Normally I make my own pie crust with graham crackers, but I'm taking this pie to somebody and I don't want to have to get my pie plate back, so I just decided to go ahead and use a pre-made pie crust. This one's chocolate. Thought that would go good with Heath. They also just have plain graham cracker, and they're handy to have around when you need to whip something like this up. Okay, so now I'm going to mix the cream cheese and the whipped cream together. Okay, so this, like I said, this is so simple. Now the only thing we have to do is put our our Heath in there, and then we're going to put it in the pie crust, and then we're done. It said 6 ounces. This is an 8-ounce package, so I'm going to use my handy little scale here. Oh, almost exactly 6 ounces, just like that. Okay, 6 ounces. Actually, I'm just going to put the whole thing in there, because what am I going to do with just a little bit of leftover Heath? It'll make the pie even better. And once you've got it all mixed well and you don't see any dry pieces of Heath anymore, you're ready to put it in your pie crust. And just work it down in there. You want it to be kind of tall. Oh, I know what I should have done. I should have saved some of the Heath to put on top of the pie, just for garnish, but it'll be just as good inside. So you could get a lot fancier than that if you wanted to try to make it look real pretty. I'm not that worried about that. So there you go. That's a Heath pie. It's only 3 ingredients: cream cheese, Heath bits, and whipped cream. That's it. Super simple, super easy, really good. You want to put this in the fridge for like 2 hours before you serve it, because it's too soft right now to serve. So give it about 2 hours and it'll be ready to eat. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, hit subscribe. It helps me to be able to make more videos. It's free to you, and you get notified when I put out a new video. So thanks for checking out this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.